I'm Lauren and I'm here with my friend Polly at Belvedere Skatepark in East LA, and we're going to give you some tips and hints on how to skate safely. Let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back, and we're entering the skate park. So this is going to be your skate park basics that you've been asking about. Step 1, we're just going to roll around the outside.
Before we even think about dropping in is checking our surroundings and going around the skate park to check for any little cracks, any obstacles, or anything that's going to get in our way, like stairs or ramps that we're not going to see before we get up to them. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Let's go. Watch out for things like this sort of crack. You want to try and avoid things like this. Obviously be aware that this is like a dipping ramp as well. It doesn't go flat, it's got a bit of a dip in it. This is kind of goes down a little bit, so just be wary of the fact that you're going to go down on a slight gradient.
As you can see, there's a big stair set here, and from over there you can't see that it's stairs. So it's really important that you take your time and go slowly. Check for stairs, it's really scary. You'll see next to the stair set too, there's a ramp. Safe way to go down, unsafe way to go down. One other thing, and probably the most important thing to look out for at the skate park, is other people. Especially since the other people at the skate park are probably advanced, so just stay out of their way.
If you're coming to the skate park for the first time, skate park etiquette is all about letting people go, taking turns, and just generally not getting in the way. That way there will be less accidents and you won't hurt yourself. We're still here at Belvedere, and I'm going to give you a couple of little tricks on how to go down the ramp safely. Always start really small when you come to the skate park. Don't aim for the biggest ramp, look for the smallest ramp, take your time. Have a look at it before you roll up and go down it. Check how big it is and anticipate how much you're going to have to bend and lean in with the ramp. This one's quite small, so you won't need to bend fully in, you'll just need to take a step in and just go with the flow of the ramp. Do you want to check it out? Come. You just have to push with the direction of the ramp. Look, I'll show you. All the pushing's done in your knees. When you push with your knees, it'll bring you up the ramp. Always make sure you come at a reasonable speed to make sure you're going to get up the ramp too.
And one thing you can do is kind of go up, look over your shoulders, come back down. This is a really good exercise. Bend your knees, look over your shoulder, come back down. Bend your knees to the top. Another feature is a ledge. This is going to be a little bit more advanced. This might not be for your first time at a skate park, but rolling on ledges, stepping on and off ledges, and this is going to be your stepping stones to more advanced stuff like grinding. So for your ledge roll, first you can try a grounded one where you kind of put a foot on and get used to it. If that's comfy, you can put a foot on, get used to it, and then add another foot, bend your knees, absorb the landing when you jump off. That's probably enough for day one. But later in the week, once you've been a few times, you can jump on, jump off. Really bend your knees, that's the most important part.
Ledge roll is a stepping stone for what's next, which is grinding.
And the last thing I want to talk about is gear. So I'm wearing aggressive skates. You'll see that there's an H block here and a sole plate here, and this is for grinding. You lock your grinds here, the H block here. I get questions a lot, like if I don't have aggressive skates, can I go to the skate park? Absolutely, you definitely can, but you're not going to be able to grind. Also, since the wheels are a lot smaller on aggressive skates, it makes them a lot lighter and better for jumping and absorbing impact, and easier to jump up, jump down. So they're just gonna be easier to maneuver around a skate park. And the other thing, you should wear a helmet. There's no good excuse not to wear a helmet. I forgot mine today accidentally.
Pause to read the Belvedere Skatepark rules.
We hope these tips have helped you at your first time for the skate park. Thanks for joining us.
I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm but too plenty. Drop. Go left, go right, waking up my appetite.
that was sick.